A lot of people think remote desktop software is complicated, but it's really not. You can access your computer or even your entire work network from anywhere, just like you're sitting right at your desk. Most remote desktop apps today come with things like strong security, file transfer, multi-device support, and even remote troubleshooting tools. So if you want that kind of flexibility, you need the right software to do the job. That's why we put together the best remote desktop software you can use this year, so you can pick the one that fits your needs. 1. AweSun. Let's start with AweSun. AweSun is a powerful remote desktop software that lets you access and control your PC from anywhere, whether you're working from home, traveling, or just need quick access to your files. It supports multiple devices, so you can connect from a Windows PC, Mac, phone, or tablet, and manage your system like you're sitting right in front of it. One of the biggest reasons people are choosing AweSun right now is because it's fast, easy to use, and the free version is actually really good, especially compared to some popular tools like AnyDesk and even TeamViewer. Unlike AnyDesk or TeamViewer, which often block you with those commercial use suspected pop-ups, AweSun gives you a much more generous free experience. This is one of the biggest frustrations users face right now, and highlighting it makes AweSun feel like the clear #1 choice, especially for people who want reliable remote access without constant commercial use restrictions. You also get features like file transfer, smooth performance, and a clean interface that doesn't feel complicated at all. So if you want a remote access tool that's simple, quick, and reliable, AweSun is one of the best options to start with. And if you want to try it, check the link in the description. 2. Parsec. Coming up next is Parsec. Parsec is essentially a high-performance remote desktop and game streaming service. Originally designed with gamers in mind, it's now a versatile tool for remote work, creative collaboration, and even virtual desktop access. You install Parsec on both your host and client devices, then stream your desktop from one device to another. Its technology is optimized for smooth performance, so even fast-paced games or graphic-heavy work can run with minimal lag. Parsec is easy to set up, and once connected, the experience feels fast and responsive. That's why it's popular with both gamers and professionals. 3. AnyDesk. Our next one is one of the most well-known remote desktop tools out there, AnyDesk. Like the others on this list, AnyDesk lets you access and control computers from virtually anywhere. It works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, so compatibility isn't a problem. It includes features like a built-in file manager, an address book for saving devices, and even text chat so you can communicate during remote sessions. It's great for personal use and occasional remote access. But if you're a bigger business needing advanced features, you might want something more enterprise-focused. 4. Zoho Assist. Next up is Zoho Assist. Zoho Assist is a cloud-based remote desktop solution that makes it easy to connect to different devices. It's designed for both real-time troubleshooting and unattended access, making it a solid option for IT support teams. You can start with a free trial, and pricing is flexible depending on your needs. Plus, Zoho continues to improve the platform with better integrations and remote support features. If you're already using Zoho tools, Zoho Assist can fit into your workflow really smoothly. 5. Dameware Remote Support. Next up is Dameware Remote. Dameware is built for people who need fast and reliable access to remote computers, especially in professional environments. When you connect, it feels almost like you're using the device in person. It also includes features like live chat, video calling, and system monitoring tools, making it very useful for IT administrators managing multiple computers. 6. RemotePC. If you've ever been away from your computer but needed to grab an important file, restart a program, or help someone troubleshoot something, RemotePC is made for that. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile devices, and the setup is simple. Once you connect, it feels like you're sitting right at your desk. RemotePC includes file transfer, voice chat, remote reboot, and even tools like screen annotation. Security is built in, so your connection stays private. It's powerful but still easy to use, and it also offers a free trial if you want to test it first. 7. GoToMyPC. Coming up next is GoToMyPC. GoToMyPC has been around for more than 20 years, and it's designed for people who want a simple remote access experience without messing with too many settings. It includes file transfer, multi-monitor support, and tools like real-time diagnostics to help you figure out connection or performance issues. It also supports remote printing and temporary guest access, which makes it useful for quick support situations. 8. AnyViewer. Lastly, we have AnyViewer. AnyViewer focuses on 3 key things: low latency, fast connections, and high-quality remote access. It includes strong encryption for security, and it works on Windows, Android, and iOS. It's free to start, and paid plans unlock extra features like privacy mode, better resolution, and more managed devices. The interface is simple, so it's a great option for beginners who want something easy but effective. So, these are the best remote desktop software you can use this year, especially if you want easy access to your computer from anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.